Hello everyone, and welcome to another video produced by Financial Anatomy. I'm your host Elijah, and this is the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about all things personal finance, investing, and also side hustles. And in this particular video we're going to be talking about the Kraken app and the relevance it has to you as an investor. Kraken is an app that you can use to buy cryptocurrency, and it's starting to gain more popularity as more people are starting to get into the crypto market. But many people may not necessarily know how to sign up. So in this video, we're going to be giving a visual demonstration on how to sign up via the Kraken app so that you can begin trading cryptocurrency. So let's go over to my phone. You'll want to start off by opening the Play Store or the iPhone App Store, depending on which one you have. I have an Android, so we're going to be using an Android for this tutorial. We're going to type in Kraken, and then the app will pop up for you to install. You want to go ahead and click on install. Once that's done, you want to click on open, and you want to click on create account. From here, you'll need an email in order to sign up, and obviously if you have an account already, then you can click on that. But this is a tutorial for if you don't have an account and how to sign up. So you want to enter your email. You'll then be asked to create some type of username. Once that is done, you click the next key. You'll be prompted to create a password. You want to create that and then click on next. Next, you'll need to enter what country you're from and then click on next. Then put the state that you reside in. From there, you click on create account. Next, Kraken will send you some information to the email that you provided them. You can either click on the link in that email to go on to the next step, or you can copy the code which they'll give you, paste it here, and click next. For this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and go with the second option of the code. Just so everyone can see, this is what the email is going to look like. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste that code and move on. Then you'll receive this notification that your account has been activated. Click on next, and it will ask you what is your mobile number. This will be required in order to continue. Then it will ask you what's your legal name, fill in that information, as well as your date of birth. After this, it will ask you what address that you reside in, and then you'll be asked for your social security number. From this point, you'll be asked the typical things that investor brokerages ask you, such as what is your occupation, etc. So we're just going to go ahead and go through this. So just make sure you have this information on standby in your head. This next part is pretty important. They'll want to verify your identity, and for this you'll need either a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Whichever one you pick, you will need to take a picture of this, so just keep that in mind. We're going to go ahead and use a driver's license, but overall, there's not a big difference between these three. It's just you'll be taking a picture of whichever one you select. So we're going to click on driver's license. You'll then be prompted to take a selfie. So just be nice and groomed for that, I suppose. After this is done, you'll be taken to this screen where they'll let you know that they're verifying your identity and that you'll receive an email when your account is verified. So at this point, you simply need to wait until the process is done. After a few minutes, your identity should be verified. Now, you're not out of the woods yet. There's something important that you'll want to do. Your email still needs to be verified, and until you verify, you won't be able to do any trading. So you want to check your email for this one. On the screen, it says verify your account to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Want to click on get verified. Then you'll be taken to a place where you'll need to sign in. There's a small chance that Kraken might think that you're signing in from a different device. If that's the case, then you'll be emailed another link to which you just click on it and click that link. That's what's happening in this case. So we're gonna exit out of that and click in this link to say approved device. Once you follow those steps, when you go back to the app, it will say identity verified, and then you can start buying crypto. So the sign up process is officially done. And there you go. You now have a visual tutorial on exactly how to sign up with the Kraken app. Whenever you're officially ready to sign up, all you need to do is click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment that you see on this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when we drop another video. If you found value in this one, give this video a thumbs up. It's very much appreciated for the YouTube algorithm. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Catch you next time. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.